Hey guys, how are you? I'm Candy Sheila. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own personal amazing body shower and face wash in one bottle. So this is amazing cute tiny little travel size bottle which I love, and this is my all-time favorite products. You can see this is my favorite body shower gel by Body Shop. It's a very pure Japanese cherry blossom and strawberry, and I'm obsessed with. And this is my favorite body polish by Body Shop, which is very authentic and it contains pure strawberry essence. And my favorite biotic face wash, which is very herbal and authentic. It's pretty tiny and very travel friendly, and you can carry in your backpack and everywhere in your purse, and very amazing. So keep watching. So first I'm gonna mix the shower gel in the travel size bottle. You can see, yeah, looks so amazing. Kind of like a jelly. And after shower gels, I will mix my favorite body polish by Body Shop. It's my favorite Body Shop. Look that, ooh, so delicious, kind of like a jam and jelly. It's my favorite body polish because it contains pure strawberry essence. And then I will mix the biotic face wash, which is very herbal and authentic and safety for regular skincare, mixed all together in one bottle. Look at that, ooh, crazy, interesting, yum 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 yum. Yeah, and then done. You can see my all favorite amazing product in one bottle. You can see my favorite shower gel and face wash in one bottle. So it's very travel friendly. You can carry everywhere in your purse and your backpack. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more new video. Bye bye, have a great day.